Producers must start right to finish right, and in this video I will share 3 glue compressor tips every electronic dance music producer must know to start a track, making the creative process more fun and easy. If you stop working on your tracks or end up creating new projects that turn out to be dead ends, it's most likely because you didn't use any glue compressor from the start. Here I layered 3 Techno kick samples in Maschine, and they are routed to channel 1 in Logic Pro X. Now let's have a listen at how this mix sounds with and without glue compression. The difference is obvious. The kick samples sound like they belong together, it's punchy, clear, and you've got that fat, groovy beat you need to unleash your creative skills. Now you'll see how to set up a glue compressor for your kick sub channel, drum bass, and master, so you get a cohesive mix throughout the creative process. If you're new here, subscribe now. It's all about helping you unlock your musical potential in Logic or Ableton Live and transform your tracks from unfinished loops to release-ready bangers. You can use an VST compressor plugin, but in this tutorial I'm using presswerk, and you can download it from the link in description. Now let's start with the kick sub channel. Insert your compressor and apply these settings. Ratio 4, attack 7 milliseconds, release 2 seconds, dry wet 50%, and compress 1-2 dB. Now the drum bass. Ratio 4, attack 14 milliseconds, release 15 milliseconds, dry wet 25%, and compress 1-2 dB as well. Bonus tip for presswerk owners, enable expand. It creates a downward expansion, and in conjunction with the HP filter, it can make the sound less boomy and more lively. Check it out. And finally, the master. Ratio 10, attack 1 millisecond or below, release 28 milliseconds, dry wet 55%, and compress 1 dB. This is how you start a track you will finish. In the next video you will see how to step up your game with EQs and avoid issues while mixing, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.